team. I've got to say, that was an impressive race. People have high expectations for you. Come on, I'll show you around. Team radio check. You copy?
Loud and clear.
I'm Haley, by the way, the driver's agent. Welcome to the Pioneer Juniors entrance trial.
And I'm Gloria, the team's coach. The trial is about to start. Are you ready? Tap and hold the throttle to accelerate. Corner up ahead. Control your direction when you drive through a corner. Release the arrows when exiting the corner and adjust the car's direction. L-turn up ahead. Try to drift through the corner. Tap and hold the left arrow to steer the car. Tap the handbrake button to drift the car. Tap the right arrow to end drifting. Tap and hold the throttle to accelerate again. catch on quick. Let's see what you got. Give your best and cross the finish line.
Good job. You're now a trainee driver for Pioneer Junior. I'm Gloria, your coach. I expect you to deliver more outstanding performances. You're welcome. The RM Association sent you a driver contract. Make sure to check it out.
Here, check out your driver contract offered by the RM Association. RM Association is the abbreviation for the Racing Master Association, the most prestigious organization in motorsports. The driver contract comes with some sweet rewards, courtesy of the RM Association. From race cars to diamonds, they have it all. Now go and claim your first reward, a BMW 330i. The BMW 330i is a standard group race car. Do you know what standard group means? Nice job. Seems like you've done your homework. Before races, a draw is held to decide which group drivers will be in. Once you're assigned a group, that means you'll be competing in the corresponding race.
But that means I'll need cars for the other two groups.
You're right, but let's just take one step at a time. Hey, I'm here. The RM Auto Expo is the biggest car show in the world, organized by the RM Association and car manufacturers. It showcases a complete range of luxury cars. If you get lucky, you have the chance to collect JDM classics, muscle cars, and luxury supercars. Of course, we get privileged treatment as one of the top teams. Those who are new to our team get a chance to draw for a sports car. Fancy any sweet rides? Come and drop by the RM Auto Expo.
Veloster N belongs to the sports group. It's a powerful coupe, boasting precise handling. A solid pick for novices. Being a pro, you need to know cars inside and out. That way you can keep an eye on the expo to check out the latest rides. Cars all have their own personalities, which means they come with unique performance and handling. So practice more to find the racing style that best fits you.
Huh, a call from Haley.
How's life in Pioneer Junior?
All's well. Oh, and Haley, am I still short of an extreme car?
Well, Extreme Group is kind of unique. Normally speaking, trainees are not allowed to drive an extreme car. There's one exception though, and that's to race in the Joint Novice Invitational. It's held by 3 teams, and if you place in the top 3, you can get your hands on an Extreme Group license.
Novice Invitational? I'm in.
I like...
The Novice Invitational is a traditional event held by Pioneer Racing, Knights Racing, and Thor Racing. It's a valuable opportunity for you to compete against other novices.
What if I lose? Any consequences?
No novice that I've backed has ever lost. And you're gunning for that Extreme Group license, right? You're a solid driver. Just don't lose confidence in yourself. In addition to the license, the top 3 this year can get an Extreme Group car. So, seize this opportunity.
Hello viewers, we're in Chicago for this year's Joint Novice Invitational, where our young drivers will really be put to the test.
One of the most iconic races. It runs right through the heart of Chicago. You can just feel the Windy City's pulse as drivers rev up their engines.
That's right. As we can see, the managers from all 3 teams are keeping a close eye on the course today.
Novices, opportunity waits for no one. Leave no regrets in Chicago.
How a driver handles turns represents how capable they are as a driver. Don't forget the out-in-out principle for cornering. A straightaway. Punch the throttle and let the engine roar.
I know you've got this! The extreme car is yours!
Impressive performance for an invitational. You've definitely got potential. Just keep practicing. You can find Haley to claim your extreme car. She should have completed all your paperwork.
Thanks, Coach.
Again, congrats on snagging a top 3 spot in the Novice Invitational. You nailed it out there. Gloria picked this Aston Martin DB11 from RM Auto Expo as
You can beat me.
Whoa, you surprised me there. You're not as innocent as you look.
It must be that. Come on, rookie. Learn a bit more before you step.